Is your Mac feeling a bit slow or bloated? Hidden log files might be the reason. In today's video, I'll show you how to safely clear log files on macOS to free up space and keep your Mac running smoothly. Let's dive in. So, what exactly are log files? They're background records of your Mac's activity, things like app operations, errors, and system events. While they're helpful for troubleshooting, they can pile up over time and eat away at your storage. The good news, it's totally safe and easy to clear them out, and I'll show you how step by step. First, open Finder. At the top of your screen, click Go in the menu bar and select Go to Folder. In the box that appears, type ~library/logs. Then press Enter. This will open a folder full of user-level log files from various apps and processes. Take a quick look around. Most of these files are safe to delete, but if you're currently troubleshooting an issue, you might want to keep a few logs just in case. To clear them out, select the files or folders you want to delete and drag them to the trash. If you're unsure about a file, it's best to leave it. Next, we'll clear the system logs. Go back to Finder, click Go to Folder again, and this time type /var_log, press Enter. This folder contains deeper system-level log files. Like before, you can select the ones you don't need and drag them to the trash. Keep in mind, if you're unsure, avoid deleting anything critical. In my case, I want to clear everything here, so I'll select all files. Once you've dragged the files to the trash, you may be prompted to enter your admin password to confirm. After that, right-click the trash icon in your dock and select Empty Trash to permanently delete the files and reclaim storage space. If you prefer a quicker and safer option, you can use cleanup apps like Clean My Mac, which help remove log files, system junk, and more, with just a few clicks. Finally, give your Mac a restart. This refreshes the system and ensures everything runs smoothly after the cleanup. And that's it. You've just cleared log files and made your Mac lighter and faster. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.